Here are details on 2026 era 125 cubic centimeters dirt bikes, especially red ones or options available in red, that match your interest in a 125 cubic centimeters dirt bike, suitable for off-road riding, trails, motocross, or beginner/intermediate riders. Fire 2026 Honda CRF125F, red, great beginner/trail dirt bike. Key features: red dirt bike available. Engine, 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke, smooth and reliable for beginners and trail riders. Fuel system, programmed fuel injection, PGMFI, for easier starts and better fuel efficiency. Transmission, 4-speed manual gearbox with wet clutch. Starter, easy electric push-button start, often with a kick-start backup. Frame, twin-spar steel frame built to be durable for off-road use. Suspension, front telescopic fork and rear ProLink single shock, balanced comfort and control. Brakes, front hydraulic disc brake, rear drum on some trims. Seat height and size, 29.1-30.9 inches, lower than most adult motocross bikes, good for smaller riders. Use, excellent choice for trail riding, beginners progressing to more serious off-road skills. Light bulb often available in red bodywork, true to Honda's iconic Ride Red style. Motorcycle 2026 Denigo MX2 125 cubic centimeters, red edition, affordable entry-level dirt bike. Highlights. Engine, 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled 4-stroke single with reliable power. Transmission, manual 4-speed with wet clutch, like a traditional off-road motorcycle. Start, kickstart system. Suspension, adjustable inverted front forks and hydraulic rear shock for better comfort. Brakes, front and rear hydraulic disc brakes offering good stopping power. Frame and ergonomics, medium adult frame with decent balance for teens/adults. Dimensions, 35 seat height, 50 wheelbase, 14.5 ground clearance. Fuel tank, 4.8 L, 1.2 gallons. Use, good budget-friendly dirt/trail bike for beginners and casual off-road riders. Red Square Red Edition available with adjustable components and decent off-road capability.